All right, Becky, can you sit? Nothing. Yeah, that's weird. That's weird.
What if you exit out and accept the invitation again and try and rejoin?
Julie, have you tried playing around with the control room on the left side of your screen? There's a little app. It looks like a control panel.
Oh, Ryan, you're really testing me here. Okay, so here on my left side, what do you want me to try and push on?
It looks like a little control panel thing. If you click on it, it might give you
Okay.
control over different people's sound. You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah. But all of our settings are exactly the same.
Okay.
But I guess I can try and see. Okay, now try and talk, Becky.
Nope. All right. Weird.
Let's see, so I can. The volume is turned all the way up. Oh, there it says she's muted. There she's unmuted. She must have just quit. Let's see if she'll join again. I don't know. I'm the first to admit I'm not a computer person. So you look snazzy today.
Oh, thanks. Yeah. It's devotional, so I'm supposed to dress up for that, but I also have a presentation in my physiology class today.
Oh, good for you. What kind of physiology is it?
Just human physiology. It's the high level, it's the 400 level one.
So what's your major?
I'm general studies, but I'm applying to med school right now.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah.
I'm doing the Patho 381 right now. That class is crazy.
What is that?
So it's pathophysiology.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. It's 381,
Yeah,
bio
300.
381.
So and you do that on campus?
No, it's online.
Wow.
But it's pretty poorly set up because they've taken all the slides and everything out. So all it is just lectures and tests.
Oh, bummer.
Yeah. It's a hard class. There's just a whole lot of information.
Yeah. Yeah, I haven't taken that one and I won't. I'm graduating this semester, so.
Well, should we start or should we see if she's going to join back in?
Yeah, this is just so strange because I was just in a conversation with her and it was working fine.
Well, I'm sure game to try something else.
Yeah, it's just strange. Was Josephine here a second ago?
I haven't seen her pop up. But she doesn't usually join till about quarter after.
Right. And that's just weird that this happened 2 weeks in a row, so I don't know what's going on there. Yeah, we can get going, I guess.
Well, I send out the invitations. I only learned one way to do this, and I do it the exact same every time. But if there's a different way I need to do it, I can do something different.
Oh, could you hear that?
Nope.
Nope.
My screen says it's still just you and me.
I just played a test sound. Alright.
Alright, let's start.
Is there a way, even though we're already in here, to send another invite to her? Maybe that'll help her get back in?
Maybe. She says I can hear you, so go ahead.
Oh, okay, we just can't see her now.
She texted, yeah, I can't see it. Let's see, yeah, I can, let's see, if I click on this, invite,
All right, and I'm gonna share my screen so Becky can see the stuff I'm marking.
okay, Becky, I just sent you a new invite. I don't know if that helps or not, but. Okay.
The stuff I'm marking.
Oh,
Can you
there,
hear me?
dear.
Yeah, I can, yeah.
Oh, you can hear me?
Yeah. Did you
Cool.
join with the second invite?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, maybe it was a problem with the first one.
Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but a little screen comes up.
Yeah, I can, yeah.
Oh, you can hear me? Oh, wait.
Oh.
Now what's it doing?
I think you still have your other window open and you need to close it.
Okay. Hang on. Just a second. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but a little screen comes up. Okay. I closed that. Can you guys hear me now?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I can.
Okay, but now I can't see you. What did I just close? Okay. Well, if you can hear me and see me, that's good enough.
Yep.
Sounds good.
Okay.
All right. So, number 3, find the margin of error for a 90% confidence interval with a standard deviation of 50 and a sample size of 25. Round to 3 decimal places. All right, just a minute. So, this is our X bar plus and minus the Z thing.
I think this one we just do the m equals z times sigma divided by square root of n. Yeah.
Okay, so the 90% is the 1.645.
And I get 16.45.
Are you guys there?
Yeah, can you hear us?
Yeah, I have to go to my other computer. So
That's what I got to, 16.45.
Okay.
which number are you guys on?
Number 3.
Okay. So number 3, I got 16.45. Is that what you guys got?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Oh boy, number 4. Oh, do we need to wait for you, Becky, or are you going to jump on other
I'm good. I'm good.
Okay. So number 4, which of the following statements is true? Boy. Mu is a point estimator of x bar, sigma is an interval estimator of sigma squared, x bar is a point estimator of mu, sigma squared is an interval estimator. All right, this looks totally foreign to me, and I don't remember that in the reading.
Okay, so I think that X bar is a point estimator of mu, the third one.
Yeah, that okay, now you say it. We have had questions where it says, what's the point estimate?
Uh-huh, yeah.
Okay. All right, yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, so you're doing x bar is a point estimator of mu,
Right.
not the other way around.
No,
Right.
Okay.
because mu is your population and X bar is your statistic, so.
Okay.
All right, Becky, you want to do the next one?
Yeah. Okay, wait, what am I doing? Okay, number 5. Okay, well first, Gina wants to construct 95% confidence interval for a GMAT score. She knows the standard deviation is 113. She collects a simple random sample of n, or the sample size is 64, and compute x bar is 526. Okay, so what is the lower limit of the confidence interval? Okay, so we take, so the 95 is going to be 196.
Yep.
So 196 times 113 over square root of 64. Equals, and then you times that by 0.196. So I got 27.685, and then you're going to minus it by 526. Isn't that right?
Yep.
So the lower, I got 498.
That's what I get, 498.315.
So do we just leave it at 498?
It says round to 3 decimal places.
Okay.
The only one where we really need to round, I think, is when we're calculating n.
Okay. 498.3 what? 315?
Uh-huh.
Right.
Okay. So then we need to do the upper half, which I got 554, but I didn't put down the rest of the decimal. 526 plus.
So 553.685.
That's what I've got.
685, yeah, that's what I got too.
What would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina increased the sample size?
So I actually kind of worked it out, and it made it smaller.
Right.
Yeah, it decreases it.
It decreases it.
So what would happen to the width of the confidence level if Gina changed it to a 99% confidence interval? That makes it bigger.
Right, it would increase.
Increase. Okay. Okay, is it my turn?
Sure.
Okay, Bright Bulb Light Bulb Company is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard deviation is 400 hours. They want a 95% confidence interval with a margin of error of 50 hours. Okay, what sample size do they need?
Okay.
How do you figure out this one?
You do the n equals z times sigma over m squared.
Okay.
I get 245.862. So that'd be 246.
Me too.
Yeah, I got it. 46.
Is it my turn?
Sure.
The mean salary of actuaries is mu equals $100,000, and the standard deviation is 36,730. You are interested to know if the mean salary for women actuaries is different from the population mean, but are not sure if it is higher or lower. You set a hypothesis test with the level of significance at 0.05, and then we have our null and our alternative hypothesis. Collect a simple random sample of 36 women's salaries and find the mean to be $111,000. What is the lower limit of the this 95% confidence interval?
Okay, so how do we plug this one in?
Really wordy. Let's see here.
It is wordy, but they've given you all the same information, so
Yeah.
you still just take your X, which is your 111,000, and you're gonna minus your 1.96, which is your 95%,
Okay.
times your standard deviation, which is the 36,730, and then divide it by the square root of your sample size,
Which is 36
which is
women.
36.
Wow.
For M, I get 11,998.
Yeah, 0.467, I guess,
Yep.
to be around. I never know when to round, and it changes your answer.
Yeah, it does.
I know it does. So what did you guys get for the lower?
Yeah, I still need to do this.
Figure that one out? Okay.
So my lower level, I got 99,000 001.53.
That's what I've got.
Because it's money, right? So you would round to the,
Yeah.
or would you leave it 3 digits?
It says round to the nearest whole.
Number.
So that's nice. So we go 99002.
2. Did you get that, Becky?
I got 98011, but my calculator kind of stinks, and so I have to do each thing separately.
Oh, yeah, that's a bummer.
Yeah, because I take the 110,000 minus
111.
111. Oh, that's a problem. That's why I got that.
Yeah,
I put in
111,000.
Yeah. Okay. So you guys got 99002.
Yep.
Are we putting in any commas or anything?
I don't think so.
Okay. Okay, now we need to do the upper limits. We just plus it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like working with big numbers.
I know, I don't either.
That's trickier. So I get 122998.
0.4, so yeah, 0.8. Or I mean 8, right?
Yeah.
One, 198. Okay.
So there are 3 requirements that need to be checked when computing the confidence interval. They are a simple random sample drawn from the population, yes. X bars normally distributed, yes, and always no, so it's all of those.
Yeah, all those. Those are the
That's
three.
funny. It says there are 3 requirements. What are they? And there's only 3 options.
Yeah.
So of course it's all the above. That's funny.
They either are so tricky or just so obvious.
Yeah.
All right,
All right.
we got 100, guys.
Oh, sweet.
Done.
I want to make sure I filled in everything before.
Yep, got 100.
Okay, so Becky, do I need to do something different when I send you the initial invite?
I have no idea what is happening because I'm not doing anything different. Well, at first I would get you on my BYU email and I would just hit join. But then lately it's been coming up on my Gmail where it just has a little like a little box that says join.
Yeah.
So I don't know what's going on. I'm sure it's on my end that I'm clicking on the wrong thing that I don't know what to do.
All right, well, I guess if it happens again, we'll send you another invite because the second one worked, right?
Yeah, and it was weird because Ryan and I were in the same conference chat, but then you were in a different one. So,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm just an old lady. I don't know what's going on.
I know, that's what I told Ryan. Look, you're really pushing me here. I only know one way to do this.
I know. I wish my teenagers were here.
You guys are doing great.
Sounds good. We'll see you
Thanks,
guys on Thursday.
All
Okay,
right, see you then.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.